Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement KitLocate SDK into your Android project. I'm going to start from a blank Android project. So the first thing we're going to do is add the KitLocate jar into a libs directory. Let's drag it inside. Okay. Now let's in Gradle so it will know we have a new jar. And the next thing we're going to do is add some permissions, receivers and services into our manifest file. Let's add the permissions we need. All the permissions I'm adding you can get from the documentation on the developer website or from the example applications. Now let's add the receiver and services. And that's it with our manifest file. What you have to make sure is the package name of your application which appears here. It must match the one you've put on the developer website, or else KitLocate SDK will not work. So make sure the package name matches. Let's close the manifest file and move on to coding. So KitLocate initiation goes like this. KitLocate, init KitLocate with a context and an API key. I already have my API key. You should also have it, and you're gonna get it from the developer website. We also want KitLocate to know where we're starting the application and stopping it. So let's add a few lines of code, and on the stop method also. On stop. That's it. Let's run the code and see that we get a success message in the log. Let's install the application into our device. And let's check out the log and see that KitLocate is initiating. And we should get a success 0 message, which means everything is okay. And that's it, everything was okay. KitLocate is working and running. So let's move on to adding a geofence to our application. We are going to show you how to use geofence in, which means you will get notified once you are inside the geofence. Now that we have KitLocate ready, let's just add a geofence. So we are adding a new geofence, passing a context. Now we need to add the latitude and longitude of the location that we want to get notified once we are inside. I'm gonna add my office geo-coordinates, and I want to get notified where I'm in a 250 meter radius. We want to get notified once we're inside, so it's a type in, and let's give it a name, office. Now that we've added a geofence, let's register to the geofence feature of KitLocate. We need to pass again a context. Now we need to pass a callback class that will handle callbacks once we're inside the geofence. So let's create a new class. Let's call it geofence callback handler and pass the class name. Now let's create a class, and it should implement IKL geofence response interface. Now let's implement the IKL geofence response interface and all its methods. And we're interested in a geofence in method, meaning we will get notified with this method once we are inside the geofence. So for this example, I'm going to show you a push notification to the screen that says, hi, we're in the geofence. So let's add a local notification. KitLocate has a really cool and easy local notifications that you can use to show push messages to the phone. Let's pass a context, a message that says, "Hey, we're in the office," and an icon. Let's just take the default application icon. We can have a sound, and let's add a title. Let's call it geofencing, and send it to the phone. So that's it. Once we're inside the geofence, this method will be called. You are getting an array of geofences because you can be in a few geofences in one geolocation. So you will get the geofences you're inside, and we're going to show you a push notification to the screen that we're inside. Let's run the example. And let's install the example to our phone. Let's move to our phone view. Okay, so this is our application. It's an empty application. Now KitLocate should initiate, and once we're inside the geofence, it will show us the push notification. And let's take a look. And you can see, "Hi, we're in the office." And that's the message we put here. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.